Hi, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use units in cells or how to enter values in cells with units, and also how to do arithmetic operations or any other operations. Okay, so what I have here is the products, but I want to enter this one with the kilograms. Okay, so for example, Alice mutton is 10 kilograms, kg 10 kg, and this is 20 kg, and crab meat I want it for 40 kg, and this one is 23 kg, and so on, 34 kg. So I want the gumbo mix is 50 kg, for example. So I want these cells to be entered like this with the kilograms as units. Okay, but the problem here is that once you type in the units next to the cell, the actual values, what happens is that it treats that cells as a string cells. Okay, it is no more numeric cells. For example, you have the numeric values you can type in, then it will usually it is aligned to the right hand side. Okay, if it is string values, it is aligned to the left hand side. So it is aligned to the left hand side by default. It treats this one as a text string instead of numeric value. But the problem here is that if I want to know what is the total number of kilograms here, or any other arithmetic operations or using other functions, I cannot do it because it shows 0, because these values are not numerical values, it's a string values, text. Okay, so how to overcome this problem? One way is to removing the units and make it as a numeric value, but our objective is I want to keep the units. How to deal with this kind of problems? How to bring my units and same time I can also do the calculations in the cells, or involving calculations involving those cells. Okay, so how can I do that? For that, what we have here is that we need to format these cells. How to format? Then you delete this one. What I'm going to do is I just go here, right click, then select those cells, then right click, then go to the format cells. Okay, in the format cells, go to the custom. Okay, usually in the custom it will show the general. So what we need is that it is the general values, but it is the numerical values. So what we will do is put 0 for it is numeric values. Okay, that is fine. Now we are going to enter the units. Okay, what is the unit? Our unit is double quote, our unit is kilograms. Okay, kg. Okay, close the units by double quote, then go to the OK. Now you enter anything. For example, this is I want 34 kgs. Enter. It will show you that value with the units. Okay, now again there is a problem. We need a space here. What we can do is you can do again go and format these cells. Select, go to format cells. Here you give one space. Okay, press OK. Now it's fine, it looks fine. Okay, for the example, this is 5 kg, this is 78 kg, 32 kg, 1 kg, and 10 kg, for example. Now you can see automatically the sum function is calculated, right? So it gives the total sum, or you can also do only two values, one any kind of arithmetic operations you can do it. It will show you what is the mathematical value of that operations value output. Okay, so it will treat these cells as numeric cells, but it will just add your units next to that. Okay, so formatting cells is the trick here to help you to put the units, display the units. Same time, don't treat that cell values as text, treat as numeric values. It not necessary kilograms, or it could be liters or any other units, you can show it here. Okay, but the cell values are not treated as text. It can still have numeric values, and you do whatever operations or formulas you want it. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.